If you want to take high-resolution photos on a Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, first of all, we're gonna go to the phone app. If we are strictly talking about the resolution and only about that, then the highest resolution can be provided by changing megapixels. In the photo mode, here at the top, we have by default 12M. We can tap over here and we can increase it to 50 or 200 megapixels. Of course, 200 megapixels allow you to get the highest resolution possible. Usually, if we tap on these three dots on the right side, we can also change the aspect ratio. And in this case, if you try to switch, then of course it is still possible to do so. So I have to mention that the highest resolution is provided by using the 3:4 aspect ratio. If you're looking for the highest resolution possible, you want to use 3:4. And that is pretty much it. If you're looking for some additional options that allow you to adjust the photo to make sure that you take the photo exactly as you want it to be taken, then of course we have the Pro mode. And in here, in the Pro mode, unfortunately, we cannot really use 200 megapixels. We can only use 50 at most. But we have these additional parameters that you can use if you want to. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.